Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray so nothing shorts. Next, apply steady heat to the lower bezel to soften adhesive. This protects flex cables and makes separation safer. Use a suction cup and thin plastic pick to lift the display slightly, then slide picks around the edge. Work slowly to avoid cracking. Once a small gap exists, insert a pick to hold tension and keep heat nearby so the adhesive stays pliable while you proceed. With the screen loosened, you remove the visible screws and take off metal shields to expose mid-frame connectors. This prevents tearing flex cables when lifting. Make sure to disconnect the battery ZIF connector first to avoid shorting. Then gently unplug the display and USB flex connectors. Use a spudger. The connectors are fragile. Once everything is free, lift the screen assembly away at a low angle to preserve front-facing sensors. Keep track of screws and note where adhesive strips and alignment tabs sit for reassembly. You now transfer small brackets and sensors from the old glass to the new panel to ensure fit and function. This prevents gaps and misalignment. Apply fresh adhesive strips evenly. Use continuous strips for water resistance. Then reconnect the display and battery connectors. Seat the screen carefully and torque screws to the original snugness. Once assembled, power on the phone to test touch responsiveness, cameras, speakers, and charging. If touch fails, reseat the display connector or check for bent pins. That single check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.